Every week, more and more of you are asking us if we have any new recipes that are air fryer friendly. So today, I want to share a recipe that tastes amazing and that can be made in just minutes in an air fryer. It's called chicken Milanese, and if you're ready, I'd love to show you how to make it. The first thing you want to do is cut a chicken breast in half, like this. Then gently flatten each piece with a meat mallet. The key to chicken Milanese is that the chicken is really thin. Now we dip each piece in some seasoned flour. This will help the breading stick. And from there, we dip it in some beaten egg, mixed with a bit of water, before dredging them in panko breadcrumbs. At this point, we cook these off in our air fryer, which will make them nice and crispy. Or if you haven't gotten an air fryer yet, you can always use your oven. Once they're super crispy, take them out and serve them topped with mixed greens and basic salad fixins. Drizzle on a little vinaigrette, and you've just made a restaurant fancy dish in no time, and no tippings required. To get the recipe for our Weeknight Chicken Milanese, which is from our new air fryer cookbook, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an air fryer friendly way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.